Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to 12 days of Liller-Ween day 3. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. On today's episode, we are going to be creating this super cute, spooky little skate shaker. And yeah, I filmed it sped up a little bit for you guys like I've been doing with most of my videos. I hope you guys enjoy watching me create this little skate. And most of all, stay tuned to the end so that you can see what today's prize is going to be, because it is not only going to be this shaker, I have added more to the prize. So definitely stay tuned for that. And don't forget to leave your comment down below to be entered for the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for all the love. Thank you guys so much for watching. And definitely stay tuned for day 4 tomorrow of 12 days of Liller-Ween. Bye guys. Okay, so I showed you guys that I already cut my pieces. This is the actual skate. I had cut it out in plain black cardstock, but then I thought it was going to be too much black, so I wanted to add a little something extra. I had this kind of like tissue paper, and I cut it also and just kind of taped it down with my ATG. So that's going to be the actual background to my skate. And then I added the foam, just a very thin foam, to my skate using my sticker machine. I ran it through the little sheet and I put it on top of the foam. Now what I'm going to do is, I forgot to cut the acetate, so that's what I'm going to be doing next. And then I'll just pop back in and let you know the next step that I do as I create this shaker. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I ended up putting all my layers together. You guys kind of figure out how to put the layers. You basically put your cardstock, your foam, your acetate, and then the cardstock again. My shaker, because I used my sticker machine to put this paper down, it kind of made my shaker not move, but I think it still looks super cute, you guys. I just want to decorate it a little bit, so let me do that and I will be right back and show you guys the finished product. And here is the final product, you guys. The little spooky skate. I think it turned out super cute. Even though it doesn't shake the way I would like, I still am super happy with it. I added a little bow, a little foam flower, a little foamy phrase that says magic, some little spiders right here. And I ended up cutting the little loop because I just didn't like the way it looked with my little bow. But you guys, this is today's project. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is going to be the giveaway prize for today's episode of 12 Days of Liller-Ween. But this is not the only thing that the winner is going to get. So you're not only going to get the skate shaker, but you're going to get also 2 perfume bottles and a cauldron. So the winner for today's giveaway is going to win 4 shakers. So 1 that doesn't shake as much and 3 that definitely shake. So leave your comment down below, just adding 1 comment that says enter me, and you will be entered for today's giveaway. All the winners for every day, like I said on my previous video, will be announced on October 31st. So definitely get excited for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.